Hey, I'm Matt with Bright Ideas Egress, and I'm here to show you how to put in a handle. You'll take your handle from your kit and the 2 handle screws provided. There'll be 3 slots on the side of your window here. Snap your handle all the way in. Turn your handle horizontally so that you then can put these screws in. And they'll go right in the provided slots on the top and the bottom of the handle, and you just screw her right in. Once it's all the way in, you don't want to tighten it too tight, just hand tighten is good enough. Turn the cap down, and then your handle's on.